Good morning, everyone. I'm Nurse Diane, and I've been assigned to teach Mrs. Suzanne how to correctly take the body temperature. Good morning, Mrs. Suzanne. I have been assigned today to teach you how to correctly take a body temperature so that you can correctly take the temperature of your relative who is a vulnerable person who has suffered from pneumonia and fever. And this is your thermometer kit. You're going to remove it from its plastic box like this. We'll put this aside. And this is your thermometer. We are going to clean it with spirit. Like this. Okay? I'm going to put it in the bin. And this is when you're going to turn on your thermometer and place it under the armpit. Please, can you kindly lift your arm? Thank you. Fold it back. Okay, now you have the reading and the thermometer is gradually taking the temperature. In a minute it will beep and we will remove it. So on hearing the beep, I am removing the thermometer and now we are going to read the value. And as I have shown you, this is a normal value compared to the abnormal values that we have written previously on the whiteboard. And now you can switch off your device and we are going to clean it once again before putting it back in its kit. I will clean it with an alcohol swab like this. I will dispose of it and then put it back in its kit. You have a clean device to use for another time. So I thank you for your attention, Mrs. Suzanne, and I wish you a good day. Thank you.